Hey everyone, how's it going? So it's time for another fun Pokemon Attack video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw Mew doing her Psy Shot. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Mew using her Psy Shot attack, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to curve a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to bring this line down and connect it. We'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to curve this line down. I'm going to bring this line over and then up. I want this one to be a little smaller than this eye. Next, I'm going to curve a line down, and I'll curve a line down. I'm going to make a small circle, and then I'm going to color in a little oval underneath it. Same thing here, just a little circle, and I'm going to color the rest of this in. I'm going to make a little line here and a little line here for the eyebrows. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's just going to go down and up in a smiley face shape. Then we're going to make this line come out and then up, and then same thing here. We're going to go out and then up. We're going to make this line come up to a point and down. I'm going to curve this line down. I'm going to bring this out to a point and down. Next, I'm going to start here and I'm going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line out. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and we're going to put a couple little bumps on here. And I'm going to curve this in. Do the same thing here. Bring this line out, put a couple little bumps for fingers, and then bring it in. Next, I'm going to curve this line down. And I'm going to draw the foot. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down, and then up and down, and we're going to bring it back here. Then we're going to put a little curve on here for part of the leg. And then same thing here, little curve. We're going to draw this foot. We're going to bring this up and down, up and down, up and down, and then bring it down here. Next, I'm going to connect this, and we're going to curve this to here. We're going to bring this line down here. Let's draw an oval shape on the bottom of each one of Mew's feet. Then we're going to draw her tail. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up and down here. Then we're going to curve this around to here. Then I'm going to bring this line all the way back here for the tail. We're going to keep it about the same width. It's going to be a pretty skinny tail. It's just really long. Then, to make the Psy Shot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make kind of like a broken line in like a circle shape. And then I'm going to make some kind of little spiky lines around it, kind of like it's building lots of energy. And then I'm going to make a few kind of smaller little circles around here. And then I'm just going to make some kind of like little kind of skinny wavy lines that are just going to kind of go around here. They can kind of have broken lines in them too. And we're just kind of doing some of this stuff just to make it look like there's a lot of like power and energy kind of building up with this attack that she's about to unleash. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mew getting ready to do her Psy Shot attack. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.